Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give you book back answer in science for 7th standard. So in the previous class, we have finished polymer chemistry lesson. And now I'm going to give you the book back answers, children. Take page number 62. First, Roman number 1, choose the correct answer. First one, the first man-made fiber is dash. Answer is C, rayon. Second, which of the following is the strongest? C, which of the following is the strongest? B, nylon. Okay, second one, which of the following is the strongest? B, nylon. Third, when you place a natural fiber in a flame, it, answer is B, burns. Fourth, a synthetic fiber which has similar properties to wool is C, acrylic. Fifth one, you don't have, children, put cross, okay. Sixth, dash is a non-biodegradable material. Answer B, a plastic bottle. 7. PET is an acronym for dash. Answer is C, polyethylene terephthalate. So once again I'll read out. First one C, second B, third B, fourth C, fifth you don't have, put cross, sixth B, seventh C. Next, Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, dash is an example for polyester fabric, raincoat. It's a polyester fabric, okay. Dash are used to identify different types of plastic, resin coats. Resin coats. Third, a dash is a long chain made up of many repeated small units called monomers. Answer is polymer. Then, natural fiber is called plant fiber. Plant fiber. Fifth, natural fiber obtained by boiling cocoons is called silk. Okay, children. Next, we'll go to the true or false. First one is, a lot of plastic pollutes our environment. True. Number 2, refuse, that is avoid, is the best way to manage plastic. True. Third, it is good to wear clothes made of synthetic fibers while cooking. False. So instead of synthetic, you have to write natural. So you have to underline natural. How will you say? It is good to wear clothes made of natural fibers while cooking. Fourth, degradable plastic break down into tiny pieces called microplastics. True. Then fifth, cotton is a natural polymer. True. Okay. Then Roman number 3, match. Okay, in that, I'll give the number 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1, 5 is enough. Okay, 2, 3, 1, 5. That is fourth one, Teflon. No need, children. Strike it out. We don't want that. Okay. Only nylon. Nylon means fiber. Answer. Nylon, fiber. Put number 1. PVC number 2. Thermoplastic. PVC number 2. Thermoplastic. Then Bakelite. Thermosetting plastic. Then fourth one I said no need. Strike it out. Fifth one, rayon. Rayon is the answer for wood pulp. So non-stick cookwares. Strike it out. So in the left side, Teflon, strike it out. In the right side, non-stick cookware, strike it out. Instead of number is 2, 3, 1, 5. So nylon, fiber, PVC, thermoplastic, Bakelite, thermosetting plastic, rayon, wood pulp. Then arrange in correct sentence. No need, children. Put cross in that Roman number 5. Then Roman number 6, it is analogy. Number 1, cotton, natural. Polyester, synthetic. polyester, synthetic. Then PLA spoon, compostable. Plastic spoon, disposable. Plastic spoon, disposable. Third, nylon melts on heating. Silk burns on heating. Silk burns on heating. Okay. Next, assertion and reason. Next, assertion and reason. So in that they have asked a question. Options are not given there, children. So you only have to write. Okay. First one is A. Vegetable peels buried in the soil disappear within 2 weeks. That is reason vegetable peels are compostable. For this you have to write both A and R are true. Both A and R are true. Okay. Then number 2 and 3 all same only, children. Both A and R are true. For both first one, second one, third one, same answer. Both A and R are true. Then second one, assertion. It takes a very long time for nylon clothes to break down into microfibers, but cotton clothes need only 6 months to decompose. Reason. Nylon made out of petrochemicals is non-biodegradable and cotton cloth is biodegradable. For this also same. Both A and R are true. Then third one, assertion. It is good to avoid plastics. Reason. Plastics end up polluting the environment. Same answer. Both A and R are true. For all the three, assertion and reason, same answer. Both A and R are true. Okay. Then Roman number 8, cross, strike it out. Okay, put cross, no need. Now we'll go to the very short answer. Roman number 9. Have you taken down this, children? So those who don't have the book, buy, children, only then you will be able to know what is the question for these answers. Okay. So without the book you can't learn. So those who don't have the book, pay the fees and buy the books, children. Then Roman number 9, very short answer. In that first one, what is the chemical name of the polymers that make up cotton? Answer is cellulose. Okay. Second and third, I'll write on the board, children. Fourth one, no need. Put cross. A bucket made of plastics does not rust like a bucket made of iron. By no need that question. Fourth one, strike it out. Or put cross in that number. No need that question. Fifth, why is it better to avoid the use of plastic products? Take page number 57. Fifth one, page number 57. See, children, see page number 57, left side. Okay, left side, last para, down. Left side, last para. What is the first line? Plastics, open the bracket. Okay. Plastics do not decompose by natural process and action of bacteria and are therefore not biodegradable. Close the bracket. This is your first point. Then leave 3 lines. Itlendi aarambikudilla, leave that line. And then separately varikku thevalla. Next another A irka. A lot of. Leave the 2 lines and see A. This is your second point. A lot of the plastic produced globally is designed to be used only once and thrown away, creating a large amount of plastic waste. This is your second point. Close the bracket, waste. Okay. Then again, third point. What is the next word? The plastic. Open the bracket. Plastic waste ends up being recycled, incinerated, landfill, dumped, or ends up littering our environment. Close the bracket and write. அதுக்கப்புறம் எழுதுங்க, environment அப்புறம் எழுதுங்க. So last இது. So it is better to avoid the use of plastic products. Last you will write this last point. This is your fourth point. Okay, what point is this? Fourth point. So already 3 points I told you. See this left side, last para plastics, open the bracket. Third line, biodegradable, close the bracket. After that, leave 2 lines and see A. Keel and the third line paranga A. From there to, so on the right side, first line, waste, close the bracket. Then third point, next what word is that? Plastic, open the bracket. See the third line, R, environment, close the bracket. This is 3 points. Fourth point, so it is better to avoid the use of plastic products. Okay children, you do understand this fifth one? Then sixth one, give 2 examples of the thermosetting plastics. That is, 2 example is bakelite, melamine. Okay, bakelite, melamine. Then 7. What is the 5R principle? Again, page number 57. See here, right side, second para, second line. Second para, see in the right side, second para. Let aramikudilya. In that, see the second line. Last word plastic. Second line la last word plastic, open the bracket. Plastic disposal is the 5R principle. Refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. Close the bracket. This is the 7th answer. So once again I'll tell you all. Right side, page number 57. Right side, second para, second line. Last word plastic. Anganda aramichu recover variko. Okay, got it? 10. Second and third I'll write on the board children. Next we'll go to the 10th. Roman number 10. Short answer. In that, first one I'll write on the board, okay? First one I'll write on the board. Second one and third one, no need, strike it out. Okay? Second one, no, third one, no, cross potukonga thevalla. Okay? Then, Roman number 11, long answer, that is detailed answer. Okay, in that, so in that only first one you have children, I'll write on the board short answer, Roman number 10. Now, Roman number 11, first one I'll write on the board. Second one, page number 57, 58. Okay, children, page number 57, 58. Suggest safe methods of disposable plastics. Okay, that is first, refuse. With the side headings you have to write. Okay, see page 57, right side. Third para paranga, refuse. Blue color la edhirka side heading start avudhu paranga. Refuse, avoid, side heading. Okay, first side heading edittu. First line, what is that? The best thing to do is to avoid using plastic products. One time use thrown away plastics can often be avoided. Close the bracket. This is first. Okay, then you have to leave one line and write reduce. Side heading, what you will write? Reduce. Then what is the first word? Reducing. Reducing the amount of plastic we use is important. Close the bracket. Only that point you will write. Okay, and again you will leave one line. And what side heading is next year, next page? Reuse. So that if, open the bracket, if possible products made of plastics can be used again and again. Close the bracket. Okay, after that you will leave one line and you will write recycle. Okay, it, open the bracket, it is better to recycle plastic waste. First point. Then close the bracket and then again open the bracket, separating. This is a second point. Separating plastic waste and making sure it gets recycled is good as it turns waste materials into something new. Close the bracket. That is your second point. Third point, what is the next word? Then, open the bracket. Then it will not be thrown away in landfills, open dumps or ending up as litter in the environment. Close the bracket. So how many points? 1, 2, 3 points you will write in this recycle. Okay. And then recover. Last, leave one line and write last side heading, what's that? Recover. Solid, open the bracket. Solid waste can be converted into resource such as electricity and compost through thermal and biological means. Close the bracket. Only this you have to write for this detail. So how? Refuse, leave one line and write reduce. Point you have to write, leave one line, reuse. You have to point, write the point. Leave one line, recycle. 3 points are there and leave one line and write recover. Okay children, did you understand this? So now I'll write down the very short answer and long answer. Okay. Roman number 9, second. Okay. Question is in the book. Okay, children, I'm writing only the answer. Different. Question is, what gives plastic different qualities and characteristics? Answer is different chemicals are added to plastic to give them various qualities and characteristics. Various qualities and characteristics. Okay. Now next is third answer. Question is, it is not advisable to burn plastic and synthetic fibers. Why? Burning of plastics and synthetic fibers is not a good solution. It's not a good solution as we end up wasting non-renewable resources and produce super toxic chemicals that are difficult to store or dispose safely. Okay. Now next is Roman number 10. Short answers. First one. Question is, what does the term biodegradable mean? A material that gets decomposed through natural processes and action by bacteria is called biodegradable. Okay, children. Next, Roman number 11. First question, list the advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fiber. Advantages and disadvantages. First point, do not wrinkle easily. Do not wrinkle easily, and they keep their color and brightness for a much longer time, than natural fibers such as cotton. The disadvantages, synthetic fibers such as polyester is that they are not heat resistant and catch fire easily. This is the first point. Okay, now the second point is, I will take it down, this children. Second point, using synthetic fibers such as nylon is that they are stronger than many natural fibers such as silk or wool. Then the side disadvantages, most synthetic fibers absorb very little moisture and do not allow air circulation making them hot and uncomfortable to wear. Third point. This is the last point, children. These fibers are strong and elastic, which gives it, and elastic is enough. The synthetic fibers are made out of petrochemicals, and last in the environment for a very long time. That's all, children. So take down all this in your notebook, okay? So all this should be taken in your classwork. So this lesson book back answers fully I have given to you, children. All the objectives what are done we have finished. Choose, fill up, true or false, match, analogy, then assertion and reason, all the objectives. In very short answers, 5 questions, 7 questions are there. Fourth one I said omit that question. Second and third I wrote on the board. 1, 5, 6, 7 we have marked in the book. Then short answers, only first one is there, I have written on the board. Second and third put cross, no need that question. Long answer, first one I have written on the board, and then second one we have marked in the book. Okay, children? So with this we finish this book back answers. In the next class we'll start with the new lesson, children. Thank you.